Well, I did it. I've changed brands of cordless tools. I went with the Milwaukee's. Bought a 9-piece combo kit. They had it on a great deal at Home Depot. Picked up a couple extra batteries to go with it. It came with 2 batteries. This is a fantastic kit. I've already used the drill, and really feels good in the hand. Very strong. Real quick, this set. Let's talk about what comes in the set. Pretty simple. You get a little light. You know how these are. This one's not that great, but I didn't buy it for the light. The impact. I've watched a lot of reviews. This is one of the best impact drivers right here. Then we got an impact wrench. So no more pulling out my air compressor hose and hooking all that up. I can just pop a battery on and get to it. Of course, I talked about the drill. This is a regular drill plus a hammer drill. Came with a right angle drill, which this thing comes in handy a lot. One of the other tools I really wanted was this multi-tool. It's got variable speeds on and off. I'm coming off of the rigid system, and I'm not knocking rigid. They were a great system, but I just didn't feel like they had what I really wanted for me personally. Not a knock on rigid at all. Great tools. I just felt like Milwaukee had a better built tool. This thing's fantastic. It's tool free. I mean, drop it like that, and then you can just unscrew this little thing, put your blade in, flip it back over, and you're ready to go. Then the one that I really liked is this little hacksaw. I tell you what, you talk about one-handed with a lot of control. This thing is fantastic. Now, that's some of the tools. You get these 2 big tool bags, which is fantastic. Then we've got the next thing I was really after was the 6.5-inch saw. I'd like to have gotten a 7.25, but this is what came in the set, and this will do the job just fine. I do a lot of handyman stuff outside the shop, so I really wanted something that could increase my productivity when I'm away from my shop, and this is what does it. And the other thing that came with it was a blower. I didn't think I would really want this blower, but after a couple times of messing with it, I found that this thing works really well, and great for blowing out the truck, because I try to once a week blow out my truck and get it all cleaned up, and this is really going to help with the back of the truck. Just something really quick, because I'm usually using a broom and a dustpan, and I think this will really do a lot better. So got those there. Came with a couple extra little fittings if I wanted to fill a raft or airbed or something like that. But I just want to make the announcement that I'm on Team Red now. Milwaukee's my new cordless brand. I'm at the M18 level. I still have my rigids. I got a couple drills and a multi-tool from now. I'll be using those off and on camera, but most of the time when I'm out of the shop, you're going to see me with a Milwaukee in my hand. So that's my big announcement. Not really a unboxing or much of a review. I just want to let people know that Home Depot till the end of October 2018 has this 9-piece set for $5.49. It's a great deal. You get 2 3-hour amp-hour batteries, and then they've got a special where you get another 2 3-amp-hour batteries for $139. So you can get a lot of tools here for not too much more money than, because actually this was a cheaper set than the rigid. The rigid was $5.99. Now, granted, the rigid was brushless. These are brushed, but I don't really think in the long term that makes that big a difference to me. It might to you. So thanks for watching. If you got anything out of this video, leave a comment. Tell me what your cordless choice is. If you're a part of Team Milwaukee, let me know that too. I'm a new member to it, and I'm really excited to start really putting some dirt on these tools and getting them to work. Until next time, I see you in the backyard.